How to make information architecture? First, you have to do research by analyzing whatever data you have, which elements you want to add to your home screen. Like example, we are making an e-commerce app. The first thing we have to do in the e-commerce app is to design the home screen. So which elements do I want to show on the home screen? So first, I have to finalize those elements through the information like I want a logo on my home screen. There should be a search bar, categories, banners, deals, and product listings. So all this information I have to first finalize through the information architecture like this. So whatever information we have to place on the any screen, first we have to finalize our content here through this information architecture. After this information architecture, we have clarity about which elements we have to show in each screen so that we will be able to create a good, organized and structured design.